welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm actually bringing on my trip to use as my kind of like luggage or like, you know, everyday kind of like travel accessory. So my last video was about like, you know, the toiletries and the miscellaneous kind of things that obviously like what you actually like need to be using like on your everyday kind of trips. But this is actually going to be like a travel accessory haul. And I went to Kmart today and I got a couple more essentials that I actually need. So like a suitcase, so my carry-on, my checked-on, my toiletry bag, all in one. It's like a 3-piece set that I got. And I'm also traveling a week before I go to Bali to visit my family. So I've got something to use because, yeah, my suitcase that I was using for my other overseas trips and like during Christmas time, it like broke. It's just been worn out, the wheels broke, so I think I don't know what happened, but basically I needed new stuff. So yeah, and also I'll be showing you guys a couple of things that I bought today from Kmart, which is like our like Target or like Walmart, I guess, that is more popular here in Australia and New Zealand. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to say that now because sometimes I forget at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get into the video today. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is plain and simple. So I've got some TSA travel lock. I talk like I got more than one, but I had to buy another one because now that I've got like another luggage, like carry on and checked in, and toiletry bag, I was like, oh, I need one for my like day bag, like my bum bag and stuff. So yeah, so I got like just one more. They were like $8 at Kmart. I think now we've got like 4 or 5 now. So yeah, they're always pretty handy to have because I know I prefer these ones than just like the ordinary lock. And yeah, can't go wrong with travel locks, can we? And then I've got, don't know if I showed this in the last video, but I got some packing cubes. So yeah, these were $8.50 each, so this is a 2-pack, so you can kind of see there. So this is a blue one. Blue is my favorite color. And yeah, so I got there's a small, I don't know if you can see, but there's one inside. So they're just a small, medium, same thing. I was trying to get like a 3-pack, small, medium, large, but they sold out in my local Kmart. And then when I was obviously at a different Kmart today to get the other stuff that I bought, they didn't have it either. So yeah, I think everyone's just gone and stolen the 3-pack for some reason. I don't know. So I've got a 4-pack together, I guess. But yeah, no, I'm gonna definitely use these heaps for like putting my not toiletry, sorry, my clothing in there and just like sealing them in because I don't have a lot of luggage like weight to bring with me. For some reason I didn't realize that, you know, when I went away for Christmas, coming back our luggage was like just over the limit, and I didn't realize how much the weight was going to be because, you know, we brought back presents, and so we had to like chuck a couple things away and also move stuff into our carry-on. So in this case I thought it might be easier to like put stuff into these packing cubes so that we can have less space, you know, and more space for other things. And also I think it just means that it'll be easier to find also, like my undies, bras and socks and all that. And also, yeah, just help organize because I try to be organized with my clothes, but yeah, this will definitely help. So these are gonna come in handy in all my trips, even my short trips. And then I got 2 bum bags. So the reason why I got 2 is so I got a pink one. This was $9, and when I saw this online, so it's actually a gym like bum bag. So if you see there, like it's got one zip here, one zip there, and then obviously the back's like that, and you got your strap thing. So this is actually, yeah, it says like a gym bum bag. I don't wear bum bags to the gym, but I liked the color because I wanted something that wasn't like just bland and boring, because I want to actually, like, when I wear it, you can't see, but when I wear this around me when I'm on my trip, I don't know, it's just girly. And yeah, I definitely won't be using this for the gym, but it's definitely for like traveling for sure. And yeah, it's different. And yeah, I don't know, I just was like, it's gonna come in handy just sitting on my, like, you know, person and just like walking around with a pink bum bag. I don't know how else to describe it. It's a pink bum bag. So yeah, and then I got a black one, and this was $9 as well, and this is actually a travel bum bag, so you know, strap at the back and you know, 2 zips again. It is kind of like the same style as this one, except this one's a bit bigger than the pink one. But the reason why I got 2 is silly thing, but some of my clothes that I will be taking will probably not match the pink bag, so I got a black one in case, like, I don't know, I wear something that doesn't suit pink, I don't know. And also I put in a second one as a spare just in case, like, for any reason. I'm one of those people that like to buy like things in 2s, like just like doubling up on stuff anyways, and I thought like for my sandals I'm gonna be buying like a second pair in case the first one breaks, or even worse, I lose it, or I don't know. So for this thing I bought, like, yeah, a black one, and my boyfriend has the black one as well, like, so some days we might be matching, I don't know. But yeah, I've got a pink and black one just for me, and yeah, I don't really know how to explain that really. And oh, the last thing I got, oh, it's a big thing, so I don't know how much it shows on camera. I'm gonna maybe try and show you guys a photo, but it's my suitcase. So as you guys can see, oh my gosh, how am I gonna fit this on the camera? Ugh. So as you guys can see, it's a 3-piece luggage, soft luggage case. Oh my god, 3-piece soft case luggage. So as you guys can see, so this is the toiletry bag, the carry-on bag. It's like a duffel bag, but you can have it like this. So, oh no, I can't put it down, hang on. The duffel one is only my carry-on, because it's like a carry duffel bag, and also I can roll it if I don't really want to carry it. And also I'm going on a trip, like a short trip, to visit my family next week, so I'm just going to bring like a carry-on, like I didn't buy any checked in. So the duffel one's going to come real handy, since I'm only going for 2 nights, and I don't have to like carry my bag. I can just roll it around, and it's a duffel bag, so, and it gets to go, it fits on the plane, so it works out for me really well. But yeah, that's gonna be my carry-on for my other trip as well. And then obviously I'm holding the checked-in bag, and so yeah, so it's actually in the toiletry bag. I think I already talked about it, but you guys can kind of see. So yeah, so like it tells you all the weights and all that jazz, and then it says like this is quite lightweight as well, like these items. So the wheeled duffel bag is only 1.3 kgs by itself, and that's quite lightweight because you only get to carry 7 kgs on the plane, so it's really good. And then the checked-in luggage is 2.6 kgs, again pretty good, like lightweight, because you don't want to have a suitcase that's quite, I don't know, like heavy and takes up all your like luggage space. So yeah, so it's hard to like show you guys, but I love the so the rose gold like zips. Yeah, you guys kind of see like the rose gold. But yeah, so this 3-piece set was $59 in New Zealand, and I think it's worth it, especially because I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, and I didn't want to bring anything too expensive to me on my trips, because in case that they get damaged, because I've heard a lot of things where when they look at your bags they kind of break your lock sometimes, or you know, your suitcases don't last in these trips. Trust me, I just had my other one broken, like the wheel, was because it was so used all the time and it was really old, so that won't last long with me. So I just wanted something that was cute, matchable, you know, basic girl things, and then also just, yeah, something that was affordable, that hopefully lasted me a bit, that it gets its worth, you know. Yeah, so they're not like it's not a spinning suitcase, but you know, it's something. So I'm gonna try and open this. You guys can kind of see the inside. It's so hard to show, but yeah, so this is the toiletry bag. Oh, it's so cute. It's like, yeah, so they match, obviously. It's so hard to show on camera, but yeah, they match. I should put this down. Oh my god. So yeah, so as you guys can see, so this whole like 3-piece set is so cute. Yeah, so that's the toiletry bag. Obviously it's pretty big for a toiletry bag. Like, I don't really, like on my last video, like all those toiletry stuff that I got, I'm gonna be putting it in here, so that's gonna come in handy. And so this is the carry-on duffel wheeled bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and bigger than I expected. But yeah, see, it's got wheels on it too. And then where's the part to roll it? Oh, it must be in here. Let me see. Oh, there's a bit of dirt in there. Ah, that's so cute. Look at that. Yeah, I can wheel it. I'm such a lazy person that hates carrying my bags on the airport. So yeah, so it's like if you don't want to wheel it, you can just zip it back in and just carry like a normal duffel bag. Brilliant. And let's look at the spacing. So cute. Oh, why did I do that? Hang on. Smells like new stuff. I love it. Hang on. Oh my god, it's pretty big inside. I'll show you guys. Not like you'll be able to tell on the camera, but yeah, so it smells like new. But yeah, I didn't even open it probably, did I? Oh no, I did. Yeah, it's hard to show, but yeah, so that's how much it opens. It doesn't open as much as I thought because I think it's just like hard to show, but yeah, it's really hard to show, but it is. That's massive for carry-on bags. So I'm stoked to use that on my 2 trips coming up. Yeah, and then obviously it's my checked in. Yeah, so pretty good. Oops, I think I broke that. So yeah, pretty good. Excited, makes it feel more real now. Yeah, so I hope you guys like that video. I will be doing like, yeah, a lot of travel-ish videos at the moment because I've got 2 trips coming up in February. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video next week. Bye guys.